so my makeup is done, and as you can see, when it's hot days I do not put any foundation on. I cannot, it's just too much. It is Saturday and it's swimming day today, so we're getting ready to go do that. Then we're going to go supermarket afterwards and get our weekly shop done, come back, and I'm going to make some books because we've sold out on the website now, so I need to restock the website. As you guys, maybe not all of you know, in COVID I came up with an interactive learning book, came up with it, designed it, made it, sold over 100 copies, came to the UK, continued over here with it, and it's been doing great. The last set of orders we sent out was to New York, and I think a couple to Jamaica. But yeah, thank you so much if you're watching this and you've bought a book from me. If you were one of the recent purchases, thank you so much. I will leave all the information in the description box, and I'll also insert a little picture of Amira J using it when she was smaller. People always ask me like, how come she's so smart? It's because I started her with my learning book from she was like 6 months, so period. I came up with it and she was doing it long before like long before I made the book and started selling it and stuff, because it was just obviously something I was doing at home with her, and then the entrepreneur in me was like, hang on a minute, I feel like other mums would enjoy this. And because we were in lockdown as well, kids couldn't go to school. So that's a little story of how the interactive learning book started by Artful, and we also do other personalized gifts as well. Let's comb Amira J's hair and let's get Amira J ready. She's also going to be taking over the vlog right now.
We're going to the swimming place, supermarket, go back home, make dinner, brush my teeth, go to bed. Examples?
And what was your week? How was your week?
Good.
Yeah? What happened this week?
Father's Day.
What?
Daughter, father.
Oh, you and Daddy had daughter day.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else? What happened at school?
I don't know.
You don't know what happened at school this week?
No.
Sports day? What happened at sports day? I'm gonna insert a clip. Hey! Mama run.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you did amazing.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did, Baba.
Not the last race, I did not.
But that's fine. You did amazing in the other ones. You did amazing in the egg and spoon.
No, I wasn't too shy.
No, you weren't shy in that one. You were just shy in the last one, weren't you?
Yeah. No, I was shy of everyone.
You were shy in all of them?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell. You were very brave. We're all going to sports day. I went to sports day when I was a kid.
Which you didn't like it?
I loved it. And Hastings fam, let us know in the comments so I can read them out for her. Did you go to sports day? I bet you they did. So guys, I'm just doing 2 quick back braids in her hair because she has to wear the swim cap. A lot of people commented on the video saying happy birthday, Amira J. Isn't that so sweet?
Who was they? Who was they?
I can read the names out for you later, but a lot of people did. Guys, she always has to tell me like when something's too tight, because it won't be tight, but with her scalp, yeah, she'll just get these bumps. Like right now I'm treating some tight bump with alcohol. By what? Alcohol.
Mommy, you just sound like a Jamaican girl.
Yeah.
Alcohol.
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 So wagwan.
Wagwan.
So wagwan.
Wagwan.
So Jamaica my bun.
Jamaican born.
Jamaica my bun.
Jamaican born. Mom is itchy. Use the brush to itch me.
Where?
In
Here? Where you from, Baba?
Jamaica.
Ah, good job. Where you born?
Jamaica.
Where's your home?
England.
Is that where you live? Do you have 2 homes?
Yes.
Where are they?
Jamaica and England.
Good job. And where do you have family?
France.
What countries do you have family?
In Jamaica.
And where else?
England.
And where else?
Huh? Canada.
Canada. Good job, Baba. And where else?
That's it.
Germany.
Oh yeah, Germany.
Guys, what could I really cause
comment in the comments if it's gonna stop raining.
Yeah, comment if it's gonna stop raining. It doesn't look.
Hi guys, so we're gonna go on the road. I'm pretty sure the rain is stopped now.
It stopped?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's stopped now. It's just still a bit rainy. Really, guys, comment in the comments if you're in England or in Jamaica. If you're in England, in the
Okay, I think we should ask them to comment where they're watching from. That's a good one.
where you watching from, comment and you think if you think the rain will stop or not. Because if you like rain, that's a bad choice if you don't like rain.
Right, so we need to go now.
No, you don't. We need to stay home. Remember, it's Sunday.
Cheeky girl.
We're about to leave for swimming, and finally the rain is stopped, and I'm with my daddy. Finally going swimming, because really, my mom was sick, then I was sick, then my teacher was sick for swimming. And finally going swimming. I don't want them to cancel when we just going now, because why not? Yeah. Okay, you live there. Hi guys, so we're here swimming. Here we go.
Hold it steady, baby.
What does steady mean?
Don't let it shake.
Okay, so guys, I'm so sad we're going inside. Where are we supposed to go again?
Straight, Baba.
Okay. We're inside, guys. But be quiet. Really? Oh, because we're very early, so nobody will notice. Where are we supposed to go? Okay. So guys, we're back. Yeah. We're back from swimming, and now we're at the supermarket. Basically, what we got. Mom, are you kidding me?
Sorry.
We got oat biscuits, which is my favorite. These, which is Daddy's favorite, and Oreo, which is my most favorite thing. When I get home, I'm gonna wear Mommy's back. The Grocery bag is so hurting. What was happening? So guys, now we're going to pack up to go home. And look at Mommy, poor Mommy. Her tummy's hurting really bad, guys. Do you think you can cheer her up with something like you think grown-up things? If like a grown-up watching this video, or if your kid, say to grown-up, watch this video, because kids is not allowed to watch this.
Kids aren't allowed to watch?
No!
You're a kid.
Huh?
So how come kids aren't allowed to watch if you're a kid?
No, I'm recording it. So now pack it up to go home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment in the comments if you loved it. Bye!
Guys.
Ow!
So we just finished. Guys, my cycle started this morning. I feel like I'm gonna eat it. Amira keeps saying that my tummy is hurting. I have the worst cramps in the world. I took painkillers, but it's not helping. But it's so funny, I had to empty out my trolley before I got to the tills. When you're on your cycle, do you shop accordingly? There was bare rubbish in my trolley, and I got to the till, I was like, I didn't feel like any of them anymore. So as I'm walking around, I felt like all these things, and as I got to the till, I no longer craved them. So I took them all out. Now all I want is some cucumbers and salad. Anyways, I'm gonna do a grocery haul when we get home. We'll show them all the bits we bought when we get home.
Oreo first.
Oreo first. Let me tell you something, yeah? You see that artist, Valiant, talent.
Amira J, enjoy your birthday to the fullest. I hope you stay safe and make sure you not get grandmother trouble. Speed up, Jesus.
Anyway, let's unpack these groceries. I'll show you what I got. Amira J yogurt for the week. They come in tubes. 3 different, let me show you guys. 3 different flavors in this one. She takes it to school as well. So we got some waffle, crisp, Yorkshire puddings, got coconut milk because I'm going to make stew peas. I'm going to make rice and peas. Lard pack butter because it's the best, period. Don't argue with me, argue with your mum. We get some sardine because you know some buy water crackers from the Jamaica shop and you have to crush this with little onion and sweet pepper. So dash your little pepper with it too and eat it with the Excelsior water crackers. You don't eat that? Okay, you're on your own then, that's the best. I can smell a barbecue right now and I absolutely love it. Peas, apple juice, some milk, ginger biscuit, twists, bread twists. We got watermelon, we got cucumbers, we got banana, and we got self-raising flour because that's the only flour I make fried dumpling with. And fried dumpling is somebody's favorite.
Me.
Onion, vat milk, I have it in my tea. Let me know what milk you have in your tea. Do you have normal milk? Do you have no milk at all? Do you have vat milk or do you have cream? Shout out to my sister has cream. Let me call my sister. You guys haven't seen Sally and JV in so long. Let me call them.
Say hi to the vlog boys.
Hi,
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
No, don't go.
Guys, Jay had his tonsils removed and I'm hoping and praying we don't have to get this done for Amira. He had his tonsils removed and I'm so happy to see he's doing so much better because last week this time he was just, I hate when the little ones are ill, man. It just makes me so sad. Anyway, where was I? I'm gonna reach. Oh yeah, so I got beef, I got chicken, I got fish cakes. They're way over there, I can't show you that. Anyway, so that's it. In terms of the groceries, it wasn't a full weekly shop, it was just a little top-up shop. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some food now and then I'm gonna come back and check in with you guys because we have something serious. I have something serious for discuss. Also, I'm meant to get a PR package today, so I'm just waiting for that to arrive and then I can I got a PR package sent and I want to open it with you guys. My camera specializes in contact lenses and oh my god, they sent so many. I am so excited, guys. I feel like with contacts they just take the makeup look to another level. Guys, look how much is in here. And what's amazing is she also sent all the little packs for me to keep them in. Ugh, I'm so excited. And it has its own little tweezer in there as well. This is so cool. I am so excited to do all these different makeup looks. So the brand is called Just for Kira or Kyra, and like, isn't that beautiful? One's there. I just love contacts. Let me see if I can give you guys just a little peek. It's like a peek. Look at this blue one. Mate, let me know in the comments which one you guys like to see me use first. Which one do you want to see a makeup look with first? I'm thinking that was a blue one. I'm thinking maybe the blue. Ooh, this one is nice. Oh my god, should I do the green one? Oh, I don't know now. Let me know in the comments which one you guys want to see first, and I'll do a look with it. Of course, I don't know, some have discounts code for no one to sell. Hey guys, thanks so much for making it to the end of the vlog. So I finished cooking. As you guys saw, I made stew peas, and I bulk cooked. So I made stew peas, I made curry chicken, I made fried chicken, rice and peas, and some vegetables. Anyway, so I wanted to come to you quickly. I posted this on my Instagram because one of the shorts kind of went viral, and it's the strangest thing because I don't know if it's because I don't think in that way, I just could not comprehend. So the question is, do you kiss your kid on the lips? If you do have kids, if you don't have kids, would you, when you have kids, will not ignore the lash them need for those, some of them drop out, some of them still leaving, you know, when it's in that awkward stage. Anyway, because guys, on a serious note, there was a big debate, and I asked it on my Instagram because I'd really genuinely confused, like, how do you see a mum kissing their kid and think there's something wrong with it? Like, this was the big debate on my video, because they were like, some people are saying it's inappropriate, what the hell is going on, why would you kiss your kid like that? So it was so bizarre to me, because I'm thinking, how do you see that and think in that way? Like, the two don't go together. I don't want to really talk certain words on this platform because I don't want my video to be sabotaged or anything, but you get what I'm saying. Like, they thought of, like, in a nasty way when they saw the action of me kissing Amira. It was so strange to me. Like, to me it's like, you're mine, somebody, you're mine corrupt, because oh, on earth can you see that video and think immediately that something's wrong with that? Then I started thinking, is it a culture thing? Like, I'm not sure. Like, let me know if you're from a different culture. Obviously my background is British Jamaican. Let me know if maybe in your culture that's frowned upon, if it's not a thing. I don't know, but it was just so strange to me that something was wrong with that video. Like, and then I posted it on my Instagram, and obviously people were just like, there's nothing wrong with that. There was, I think, one person that said they wouldn't because of herpes or something, but then I responded saying, well, I would hope the adult is not irresponsible enough to be kissing their kid if they have something like that going on. So anyways, let me know. I'm intrigued to know, so please leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think about that. If you think there's a problem, if you think it's completely normal, because that's how I grew up. That's what I know. I grew up being kissed and showed affection in that way, and then as I got older, it moved from lips to the cheek, and then it stopped. And that was just based on me, like, obviously. And if she was up here now, I would have let you hear her opinion. Nobody else is allowed to do this. Like, nobody else kisses her on her lips or in that way. And I talk to her openly ever since. She's aware of things, she's aware of dangers, she's aware of strangers, what they could possibly do. I don't sugarcoat nothing, because when you sugarcoat things, this is how kids get hurt. And don't just teach them as strangers that do things, because a lot of the time it's someone close to these kids that are hurting them. It'd be an uncle, it'd be an auntie, it'd be a cousin, it'd be someone in the household. So I talk to her openly and I let her know, look, these things happen. There's people who want to hurt kids. This is what they do. They may not be a scary monster as portrayed. It could be someone that mummy has spoken to before, and it's important that you talk to your kids this way, because this is how we have to protect them in today's world, because this world is no joke, fam. Like, people are all tough, I'm a pity them, and it's like, this is our future generation, so you have to protect them at all costs. So let me know your opinions on this. As you know, this is a safe space, it's an open space, so leave your comments down below. And yeah, let's just have a discussion, because I was genuinely concerned. I was like, did I miss something? Guys, I don't know. Fever come back by mirror. I'm praying to God it's not tonsillitis that's come back already, because this is mad. We've not even been free of this. It's been 2 weeks, I think, since we've been free of this, so I hope and pray it's not coming back. But yeah, see you next week. Bye.